back now with Mallory Brooke for a full check at the weather. Another cold one this morning, but it sounds like it might be warming up, relatively speaking, later this week.
Yeah. It's all about the relative warmth this time of year when you spend so many days with negative signs in the temperatures and so many layers on. You take what you can get. And yeah, upper 20s are going to feel really nice today, especially along the coastline. And that's what we'll see. So a little bit of sun trying to peek in. The clouds will take over, but you'll have the most sunshine right now. And then you'll have a little bit more as we head into, I'd say, early to mid-afternoon. You might get some more pockets of it too. So we do have that beautiful sight over Portland right now. Current temperatures are in the teens. We have some clouds, but it's not completely overcast. So you get a little bit of that sunshine peeking through. But as we see in the satellite, it's not going to last very long. We do have plenty of cloud cover out there. We are going to be seeing a few isolated snow showers, mostly for the high terrain areas, but some of those will mingle through to the coastline too as a cold front comes through. Not that we need more cold air, but we're going to get some more cold air. So that's what we're being dealt. Today, we start the day at 1 below in Lewiston, 0 in Waterville, 18 in Portsmouth and Rockland, 15 in Sanford, 5 in Rangeley, and 6 in Holton. So it's a cold start, but certainly have had colder, and we will warm things up today. So if you did want to get outside, you have some work to do around the house, you want to get on those cross-country trails today, it's a really good day for that because those temperatures are going to come up even without the sunshine. We do have highs expected to be just shy of 30 at the coastline and 20s even into our typically cold places, Caribou, Rangeley, Berlin. You still have 20s there, at least through the early evening hours before the front comes through. By 9 o'clock, we're back to the teens in the high terrain. We're still around 30 at the coastline, a few snow showers as we've been talking about coming through, of course, with that front. Going into the second half of the overnight, that's when the temperatures really begin to crash down. So we're below 0 as you're waking up and getting the kids ready for school into the mountains and the foothills. Teens as you make your way to the coastline. Monday, temperatures don't move too much. We'll get a little bit more sun in there, especially inland, and highs in the teens and 20s. Monday night, we cloud up. We have a weak system coming in Monday night into Tuesday that will provide some light snow showers across the area. I'm thinking maybe an inch. It's really not that exciting, but it could be enough to make things slick on the commute Tuesday morning. So that's the only reason I really put a little emphasis on it, is that it could be impactful Tuesday because the roadways are so cold, so everything sticks and there's still a lot of ice on the roads. So of course this would just cover it up. Tonight we are looking at some flurries. It's cold again. We are below 0 inland, teens, and single digits at the coastline expected. On the water, seas at 2 to 3 feet, and those gusts, wind gusts will be just around 20 miles per hour, or 20 knots, and sustained at 10 to 15 knots. We are expecting a fairly quiet week ahead. Again, a lot of times with these cold punches, we just can't get a lot of big storms and a lot of activity in here, and we're seeing that. So we have the chance of those snow showers on Tuesday that may impact the morning commute, as we've been talking about. The next chance for something a little bit more significant, I'd say, would be over the weekend. There's very little consensus on it, and I'm not terribly excited for it, but sooner than later we're going to likely see a more active pattern come in, and with a more substantial storm. If not this coming weekend, it'll probably be the following week.